I'm sorry to say this, but someone who destroy your mental peace cannot be the love of your life. Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about that why you should choose people wisely in your life. So let's get into the video. See, a person who truly loves you, all they care about your happiness. Firstly, secondly, all that person can see that how they can make you feel comfortable, how they can take care of yourself, how they can prioritize your things first. And if someone is not doing that, that is so clear that that person do not care about you. You see, if you are happy and your happiness is not making your partner happy, that means he is not happy for you. If your sadness, if your sadness not making your partner sad, not he is not feeling sad, he is not your partner. He is not your partner, because love does not work like that. A person who truly loves you and you are sad, that person will sad automatically for no reason just because you are sad. Like, take an example of siblings, or not siblings but parents. If a child is sad for a very small thing, for a very little reason, for no reason, the parent will also feel sad just because their child is sad. And it's love, it's pure love. And if your partner is not sad just because you are sad, and that person is happy doing whatever he want to do, and you are sitting in a corner feeling sad, feeling lonely, and he try to manipulate you and trying to tell you that you can have your own space, let me do what I was doing, and I have work to do, and this is just a phase, you will go through this. No, no. If your sad face is not affecting him, he do not love you. He do not love you. Stop looking at people with your love. You know, do not do that. It's you, it's your love, it's your energy, it's your, feelings that you think that person really loves me. No. Look at their actions, what they are doing, and ask yourself, is this how love react? Is this how love behave? If your partner is sad at the same time, would you do that to them? Would you just sit and do whatever you want to do and let them feel lonely? Would you do that? If the answer is no, that means you don't deserve what they are doing to you. If they are letting you feel lonely and leave you alone, that person is not meant for you. That person cannot be the love of your life. Don't be in your love bubble and be like, that is okay, he's being mature and she is being mature and they are no, this is not maturity. This is manipulation, clear manipulation. This is not maturity. If your sadness is not making your partner feel sad for a valid reason, he or she is not the love of your life. If in your success that person is not feeling succeed at the same time also, they are not happy for you. They are not. And you should never be with the person who is not happy when you are happy, who is not sad when you are so sad. A person who really love you will make you feel so powerful, will make you try to like, that person will do everything to make you feel that you are so worthy enough. That person won't leave you alone no matter what the situation is. No matter how sad you are, no matter how happy you are, no matter how hard you are crying, no matter how much angry you are, if a person truly loves you, they won't leave your side, no matter what. And this is what actual love looks like. Do not give the tag of maturity to their dirty behavior, to their dirty reactions. Do not do that. You know, if you are being sad and you are feeling sad for a valid reason, and that person is telling you that you are being dramatic, and after 2 days you guys just moved on with the situation, that person is the same person who told you that you are being oversensitive, you are being over dramatic. How can you be with the person who do not care about your emotions, who do not care about your happiness, who do not care about the reasons that is giving you sadness, that is giving you anxiety? You know, the world is already very harsh, already very harsh. So you should be with the person who give you softness. You know, after all the long day, after being trolled, after being, getting so much, negativity inside you from the outside world, every person deserve a partner who love them, who comfort them, who take all the negative energy and give them comfort, make them feel positive about themselves. And if the person you are trying to find in a person, like you're trying to find a comfort zone in a person, and that person is also giving you anxiety, then what is the meaning of being in a relationship with that person? How the hell that person can be the love of your life? The love of your life is supposed to give you peace, supposed to give you happiness, supposed to give you comfort zone, not anxiety, not depression, not anything bad thing. Look at their actions, like clearly look at their, if you feel that that person is not caring about me, the amount of investment I have put in that person, do not be with that person. Just simply don't. You are just wasting your energy and your time and your everything, and you will regret it later. So it's better to leave them rather than wasting all your good things. Love is a very beautiful thing, very beautiful thing. And when you find the love of your life, you became the happiest person. No one can manipulate you, no one can put you down, no one can drain you, no one can give you negativity, nothing. Because you have a love of your life right next to you, and that person is able to not get drained, not feel manipulated. That person will help you to grow. They just simply won't try to put you down, they will try to lift you up. And that person is the love of your life, not the person who is making you cry or letting you cry. And for the right person, you are never too much, you are never dramatic, you are never sensitive, because they love you and they genuinely care about you, they care for you. And your happiness, your sadness, your anger, your tears matter to them. And that person is the love of your life. The person who care about you, the person who prioritize you, the person who, try to do everything just to make you happy, just to give you a smile. That person is the love of your life. Do not be with the person who just, you love them. No, your love won't be enough. You really need someone to love you also. If you are loving someone, they also need to love you. And if they don't love you, leave them. Leave them. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye.